M2S. Lord. Yeah, we're going to talk about checking your wiring. Now, our houses are made of electrical work that we connect our gadgets to. It is essential to check your wiring when making new installations. When we do our wiring properly, we are safe and at peace in our minds because we are sure there is no way a fault will occur. Now, electrical wires run through our walls to get to the sockets in the wall. These are what we connect our TVs and other electrical machinery to. Our wiring has to be made with the right cables and wires, and we must make sure to avoid fake and inferior products when sourcing our electrical lists. This is for our own good and it will prevent unwanted fires and shocks. Electricity can be very dangerous when mishandled. It is an electrical force, and that's why we call it a power. Electrical power. It can seriously extirpate a human life within minutes and change a whole atmosphere. Our careful follow of procedure will enable an environment of tranquility and we will have hearts beating at a normal tempo. We have different types of cables for the different gadgets, and a qualified electrician should be able to identify which connects to what and how to go about fixing them. It takes a certain type of brain to be able to understand this type of work because it is not anything to joke with. Now, there have been instances where we have seen places get burnt up because of shady wiring. And you have to be careful of this because shady wiring leads to a lot of uh, misfortunes. We are talking death, we are talking destruction of property, we are talking loss of animal life, we are talking, man, it's a lot. This is just a lot. I just can't go through all of them. But you should know shady wiring is the last thing you should be doing. You see, one thing we do that we don't have problems with is by getting the right material, even if it is expensive. And that is why most people are living free and safe from these type of problems. You have to try and get the original. Don't go for the fake and make sure it is fixed properly and you will be of sound mind. It's as simple as that. So make sure you check your wiring, get the right wiring and the right electrician to do it for you. That's it for now. You already know who this is. His name is M2S. Lord.